Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Faisal Tanvi and today I will show you about how you can install a 16 megapixel camera in 12 megapixel lens. So let's start. First of all, you will need a camera app that is named Camera HR. I have downloaded it. The link of this camera app is in the description or you can find it on our official website. So click here and I will capture it on 16 megapixel. Click on 16, then capture it. After that, I have clicked that picture as sample. Click on info and you can see 15.9 megapixel 4608 by 3456, which is the resolution. So this is the tutorial for today. Hope you will like it. Stay tuned for more and subscribe our channel.